You think your physics game is strong? Now use it to escape the dungeons in Awaysis. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Awaysis is a physics-driven dungeon brawler from 17-bit Studio, the same studio behind Skulls of the Shogun and Galaxy. Awaysis will throw you onto an ancient flowing relic in the sky and ask you to bounce around it. It lets 4 players slide and collide through shifting arenas as anthropomorphic heroes trying to restore peace to a mystical mountain, Awaysis, which is under attack from the Dark Lord of Darkness. The heroes will have to climb the skybound temple, uncover its long-lost secrets, and search for enchanted loot fighting the enemies. Levels are open rooms and arenas with ramps, slopes, and environmental hazards that exist specifically to feed your physics interest. A preview compared movements to skiing in a skate park, where gaining or losing momentum is as important as raw attack power. Beyond the story, Awaysis offers online co-op and battle modes for players who just want to weaponize the physics against each other. Combat in Awaysis is built around a custom physics system running inside Unreal Engine, so the swings can come from different directions with varied charge times, letting you angle blows to send enemies flying exactly where you want them, so you can knock them into bottomless abysses rather than whittling them down. Here, positioning matters. There's also a difficulty system that adjusts as you progress, scaling the enemies up so when you revisit earlier dungeons with stronger gear, expect stronger and late-game enemies too. Awaysis is coming to PlayStation 5, Xbox Series, and PC with the 2026 launch confirmed, with playable demo already available on Steam and Xbox. With its blend of control, physics, and co-op friendly dungeon design, Awaysis is built for players who want games loud and replayable. For more tech and gaming updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.